A month ago, after completing one of my French Duolingo lessons, I actually stopped and watched the ad that appears after you finish a lesson. I usually don't pay attention. And this ad was for Duolingo Max. And the features that I saw really drew me in, so I bought the subscription right then and there. My first few days with Duolingo Max really surprised me because I was testing out the role play feature, and this feature really kicked my butt. So role play is an AI feature where you are given a certain scenario, like plan an outdoor wedding, and a Duolingo character is asking you questions based off this scenario. The very challenging aspect of answering these questions is that I don't get a word bank. Also, the AI technology is very dynamic, so I can respond however I want, and then I'll get questions that are tied directly to my response. The first few questions that I received really made me freeze because I lacked a lot of vocabulary and it was very challenging to come up with a sentence all on my own. So it has shown me that I lack a lot of conversational skills in French, even though I've been using Duolingo to study French for almost 2 years now. It surprises me how much I struggled to create simple sentences in French when I wasn't able to choose any words from a word bank. And how slow my brain was processing French, because in a regular lesson, when I'm answering a question, I'm usually able to drag and drop those words and make a sentence really fast. But in roleplay, that is not the case at all. One thing I really loved about roleplay is that it gave me tips on how I can make the conversation better. So it would give me alternative words that I could have used, and it also gave me corrections in general. So that helped out a lot, especially because I could repeat the same scenario in roleplay, answer differently, and receive different questions, so I would get a lot of feedback for this particular topic. So if I ever have a conversation in French about how to plan an outdoor wedding, then I know I have a few different ways that I can go about the conversation. To gain a higher score in roleplay, it's all about using as many words as possible. So that was really pushing me to be more descriptive with my answers, which was very, very challenging. But it definitely increased my desire to want to learn more French vocabulary so I can speak more descriptively. The main thing I don't like about roleplay is that it's only a part of the learning path. So I wish it was more structured like Duolingo Stories, where I could have all of the roleplay scenarios in one section. Now, the other main feature of Duolingo Max is the explain my answer feature. When I was going through my lessons and I would get something wrong, I could click on this icon and it would explain why the answer was incorrect. And even if my answer wasn't incorrect, it would still give me an explanation of why that answer was correct. At the bottom of these explanations, I was able to choose between yes, I understand the explanation, or no, I need a little bit more explanation. And then it would just give you more details on that specific answer. At this point of my French learning journey with Duolingo, this particular feature is not that helpful, and not because it doesn't give really good explanations for the different answers in the lessons, but I already knew most of them already. At the same time, I'm not super far into my French Duolingo lessons, so maybe in 3 months or 5 months or even in a few weeks, as I progress more with my lessons, I will start to learn more new grammar concepts that I don't know at all, where this feature would be a lot more helpful. Testing out Duolingo Max for 30 days has given me some mixed feelings. On one side, I like the features that Duolingo Max has to offer me as a French learner, and I think these features help me to reach my ultimate goal of becoming fluent in French, but I just can't justify the price. So I ended up not renewing my Duolingo Max subscription. If you are using Duolingo Max, let me know what your experience has been like in the comment section below. Now watch this video to learn more about my experience with Duolingo.